Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your girl Eva Ego and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads that I put on my channel. Now, here's the thing. 62% of y'all who watch my videos are not subscribed. Okay, so that lets me know that you're lurking. So what you need to do is go ahead on and hit the subscription button and just join the Ego fam so that we can all just hold hands and sing kumbaya. Okay? And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for sticking around with the Ego fam. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Nars Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. So, okay, so here's the thing with the foundation, you guys. If you have been following me, you guys saw my Fenty review video. If you have not seen it, I will link it, I guess, here. Yeah, I'll link the video here with the little info button, and I'll also link it below in the description box. Here's the thing about foundation and my skin. So I have a very difficult time matching my foundation. Sometimes it's a little difficult for me to match foundations because of the mixture of undertones that I have. So I have like a warm undertone, somewhat reddish almost, not a lot, but yeah, it's a little difficult, and I have so many foundations, you guys. And now this is my first time ever purchasing a Nars foundation. So I do use the Nars concealer, so I was like, you know what, since I love the Nars concealer so much, and this is supposed to be according to the associate in Sephora, this is supposed to be good for dry skin, and you guys already know based off of my Fenty review video, I have dry skin, and your girl be just saying. This is in the shade medium dark 3.3. This is in Caracas, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Why you gotta make these difficult ass names? So on the website, Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation, it retails for $49. That's 50 bucks. Okay, and this says, let me just read the description to you guys. It's long. Okay, so it says there's long wear and then there's strong wear. Introducing Nars' first 16-hour foundation that stays turned on by the power of radiance. Untraceable, unstoppable, unlike anything else. Long wear is finally lightweight and radiant. High coverage is now supernatural. Its breathable, fade-resistant formula is infused with raspberry, apple, and watermelon extracts. Okay. To help smooth and improve the look of your skin instantly and over time for full-powered radiance. That's a bit plain right there. I like the fact that it is infused with fruit, but it says it's supposed to improve the look of your skin instantly and over time for full powered radiance. So I don't know, maybe I will give good old Nars foundation a try over the next couple of tutorials and stuff like that and see what happens. It wears longer, stays stronger, and looks better with each hour. Specialized skin matching technology ensures your truest match yet. Your future looks radiant with Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. So the details, basically in a nutshell, it says it's a natural radiant finish, transfer resistant. Nars, y'all might want to fix this because it says transfer resistant. So whoever doing y'all website, y'all need to get them to put the T in there because yeah, it says transfer resistant. Sweat resistant, fade resistant, and non-drying. Let's just focus on the non-drying part, okay? Let's go ahead and pop this baby open. And where are my glasses? I'm gonna put my glasses on so that I can see my screen. I'm not all fancy like everyone else. You know, where they have like monitors and shit hooked up over here and over there, and you know, I don't have all of that. So let me get a little closer for you guys. This might actually work. Let me compare this to some other stuff. Now, you guys know that my go-to was always my Too Faced Born This Way, and this was in the shade Mocha. Let me see what the difference is in color range. And I used this Too Faced, I used this Too Faced down to like the bone. Look at the difference. Wow, really? Can you guys believe that I was using that shade? Wow. Let me look at the Naked Skin. This is in the shade 9.0. Let's see. That is crazy that that is such a big difference. Now look at my neck. Like this. Okay. I have a good feeling about this foundation, Nars, so let's just come through with it. I just want to have a foundation that I can wear that doesn't make me look like I'm two different colors. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and prime. Lord Jesus, I just want this to turn out right. That's all I want. Now, the one thing that I am not going to do this time, because if you guys watch my other videos, you know that I always color correct with this cream contour kit. I'm not going to do it this time because I think that this is, it says full coverage without the weight. So patent pending technology delivers a unique weightless and breathable texture, superior blendability for an imperceptible effect that looks natural like skin, doesn't look or feel cakey, heavy, drying, or masking. And you see these coon eyes that I have up under here? So we're really about to see. We're really about to see what's gonna happen. I'm not really doing full pumps. I'm just like pumping out little pea-sized amounts. So what I'm gonna do is spray my brush with the 3-in-1 hangover primer and see what that does. So here we go. So this is about 2 pumps. And there's my child. Pardon me. I knew I wasn't gonna get through this tutorial without him waking up. First impressions, let's talk about coverage. This is probably about a pump and a half that I have on my face right now. I would need a little bit more here because the hyperpigmentation under my eyes is a little bit darker on the right side. It does have a slight orange tint to it, but overall it does look like it does match my neck. I don't even think that I need to color correct. So what I'm gonna do is just jump straight into using my Nars concealer, which I use the shade Biscuit to conceal and brighten under my eyes. Okay, so I looked at it. I looked at the foundation in a fluorescent light. And I kind of feel like there should be, I feel like there's a shade, a step down that maybe I should use. because I feel like it's like one shade, not one shade, but like maybe a half shade too dark. And the next shade lighter is Cadiz, I guess you can say. I feel like maybe I should use Cadiz or something. I think this is just a little too dark. I think Cadiz would have been better. I don't know. I almost look like I'm doing blackface right now. Yeah. I feel like I'm doing blackface right now. Like I really had to look at it. I don't know. Let's just keep going. I feel like I'm doing blackface right now. I'm doing blackface and I'm black. How'd that go? Mommy look funny, huh? I don't know. The internets are gonna come for me. The internets are gonna come for me. Okay guys, so I'm back. I ended up having to leave to go do an emergency beat face on someone. So I left at about 3:30 and it is now 7:40. As you can see, I've had this on for 4 hours without me even setting it. It doesn't feel like my skin has dried out or anything like that. It is lightweight. I will say it is lightweight. Over the course of 4 hours, it still looks fresh. And I know 4 hours is not a very long time, especially when the only thing I did was went to someone's house to do their makeup. To say that it's humid here, the makeup, you know, the foundation still held up pretty well. I went back to Sephora and I got the shade Cadiz. This might work. See, and I just feel like Cadiz is just too freaking light. But maybe once I buff it in, yeah, okay, all right. This feels really soft. Okay, so maybe Cadiz is gonna work.